Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be guiding you through how you can download and install Linen application on your iPhone. So let's go ahead and dive in straight into the video. The first thing to do is to make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. And once it is, launch open your App Store. Go to the search box as soon as you open up your App Store and type in Linen and search. Once you come across this application from Linen Mobile Inc., tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app. Once you press on the Install button, you wait for the application to download and install on your mobile device, and within a few minutes, you will be able to get the application installed on your preferred device. So that's how you can easily download Linen crypto wallet application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.